Hey kids! Today we're going to visit the kitchen with the chef. Here's the chef's hat. White and tall, the symbol of the kitchen. Look at the wooden spoon. It stirs the food with care. And the pot. Hot and shiny where the food is cooked. Now we see the recipe book. Full of delicious ideas for cooking. And finally, the chef. Happy and creative, always making tasty meals. Let's see if you remember. Which one is white, tall, and the symbol of the kitchen? The chef's hat. And which one stirs the food with care? The wooden spoon. What is hot and where food is cooked? The pot. And what is full of delicious ideas for cooking? The recipe book. And last, who is creative and makes tasty meals? The chef? Great job, you got them all. Visiting the kitchen with the chef is fun, right? See you next time, friends.